And now it is my pleasure to give the floor to the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Mr. Zeid al-Hussein. High Commissioner, the floor is yours.
When Nabeel Rajab is sentenced to 5 years for alleging torture, or when 17-year-old Ahad Tamimi is tried on 12 counts for slapping a soldier enforcing a foreign occupation, when journalists are jailed in huge numbers in Turkey and the Rohingya are dehumanized, deprived, and slaughtered in their homes, with all these examples bedeviling us, why are we doing so little to stop them, even though we should know how dangerous all of this is? It is accumulating unresolved human rights violations such as these, and not a lack of GDP growth, which will spark the conflicts that can break the world.
Oh, okay. จะยืนฟังก็ไม่ได้เพราะพูดภาษาอื่นเบา